If your AirPods Pro 2 are not connecting, don't reset them yet. Try this first. Here's how you can fix AirPods Pro 2 connection issues in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Refresh your Bluetooth. Just turn Bluetooth off on your iPhone, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. Sometimes, that's all it takes. If that doesn't work, Step 2. Forget your AirPods from your Bluetooth list. Go to Settings, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, and select Forget this device. Then reconnect them like new. Still having trouble? Step 3. Reset your AirPods Pro 2. Press and hold the button on the back of your charging case for 15 seconds. You'll see the LED light flash amber, then white. Once it turns white, you're ready to pair again. Step 4. Check your battery. Low battery can mess with the connection, so make sure both your AirPods and the case have enough charge. And finally, Step 5. Update your phone's software. Sometimes a quick update in settings fixes those sneaky bugs causing connection problems. If these steps help, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. For a full guide, check out my channel. I've got you covered.